What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to send crypto directly from KuCoin to Binance. So if you're looking for a way to send your crypto from KuCoin to Binance, well, this one is very easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and get the address for your Binance account. So go ahead and open up Binance here, and you want to go ahead and basically click on deposit at the top right of your screen. Now from here, click on deposit crypto. Now, in here, you want to go and search the coin that you want to basically receive here. So, for example, I want to receive ETH. Now, go ahead and select your network. Now, the thing with networks here is you need to make sure that you're using the same network when you're doing the other transaction when you're sending from KuCoin. Now, in my case, usually ETH or ERC20 here is usually the network they use for Ethereum. Go ahead and choose that. But if you're using a different one, make sure to basically copy or what network you're using. But let's go ahead and click on copy here, and let's go ahead over to KuCoin. Now, in KuCoin, what we need to do is you want to go to your assets, and you want to go ahead to whatever account you want to make your transfer. So if you have a funding account, you can go ahead and choose that one. And from here, you want to go ahead and look for the crypto that you want to basically send. So in this case, for example, if you're sending or you want to send ETH, make sure to search for ETH here, and basically click on the option that says withdraw. Now, from here, it's going to ask you to complete your identity in order for you to make the transaction. But if you have a verified account, this is what you'll be seeing on your account. So in this case, just make sure that the coin that you've selected here is correct. So if you've chosen ETH, make sure ETH is selected here. But in the wallet address section, you just need to enter the address and also the network that you are using. So sometimes this will be automatically selected, but if not, go ahead and select the appropriate one, which in this case, whatever you've chosen before. But yeah, so once you've entered your address and your network, it's going to now ask you how much you want to send. But go ahead and just fill out the details, and you should see the option to review transaction at the very bottom and just confirm a few things. But you should be able to send or finish your transaction via this way. But to be speaking, you just need to wait for a few seconds or even a few minutes for your transaction to complete. But from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.